Ooh, what have we got here? What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a little tiny modification cosmetically for my WRX. It's a really small one, but makes a big difference for your build, for your car. And I'm really keen to install it. It's this right here. It is from 21 Overlays. They are my new badge overlays to go over my Subaru logo on my car. They're going to be black and white, and my old ones are the classic blue and chrome. Can't wait to install them. They actually sent me these for free because I reached out to them and told them I would do an install and review video on them, so big shout out to them. Here is their Instagram right there. Go cop some of their products. I can't wait to install them, it looks so good. Let's get straight into it, baby. Just gonna quickly unbox it. Alrighty. So that's all that we've... Oh no, there's something else. Oh, I even got a little sticker. Oh, there's more! Is that it? Hello? Okay, that's it. This is what came with my little package. I got a 21 Overlays sticker, another sticker that is probably from their brand, or I'm not sure of this, but it's really cool. I like the little ghost on it. I've got a little thank you card, which is pretty cool. I think everyone gets one of these. So yeah, 21 Overlays guys, go check them out. Oh, they've actually... Oh cool, they've sent me two in case I mess up. We've got the main Subaru badges right here. There's the two that they sent me, just in case I mess up. And we have the background for that, which that will go on top of this one. I actually am not sure what these are for. So hopefully it shouldn't be too hard of an install. Got some soapy water and some rubbing alcohol to dry the surface. I'm really keen to see these on the car, and I've just been really excited to receive them, so let's get into it. So firstly, I actually just grabbed some scissors. You actually need to cut these out individually. So let me just do that right now. Okay, there's our first badge. Doesn't have to be pretty just yet. Just cut them out into individual ones first. Like that, that's fine to be honest. And grab this one. Alright, there we go. Let's put these away. Okay guys, now that we have our first badge, you're going to want to peel off that little film on top, and then we're going to put it on to the white background. Like that, and we have our first overlay done. Now I'm just going to quickly cut this one out. There you go guys, there is our first vinyl ready to put on the car. Alright guys, now we are on to the second badge. Once again, like I did before, peel off that layer and match it up with your badge like that, and flatten it all down. Make sure to give it a good little massage. Get all those little air bubbles out so you can get the best stick possible with your logo and the stickiness behind it. Alright, now once again you can peel off the backing. Guys, and there is our second logo ready to go on the car. And now all that's left is to do our little steering wheel one, which is really small and cute. Now I'm hoping this one actually should be the easiest because it is so tiny. Just like that. I'm gonna cut out this little baby one. And there we go. Our little baby steering wheel logo. This is what it should look like. We've got our 3 badges ready to go. That's all I got. This will cost you around $35. I just hope I don't mess it up on the car. I think that's the front, rear, and steering wheel, so let's give it a go, guys. Pour it on the logo, because I do not have a spray bottle, and I really need one. Really clean it off. Alright, now that's done. I've got my rubbing alcohol that I'm going to use to make sure it really cleans up the surface. Right, just going to give that a little wipe down. I think that is just about ready to try and put this first logo on, so wish me luck, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to peel this backing. Alright guys, as you can see the first one is on. It looks so much better with the black. Actually looks so cool. I just messed up a little bit down there. Only if you look close you can see it. It's not really sticking because I think I did it too low. Nothing's perfect and I think it looks good. So I'm really happy with the first one. Have a little comparison of that to the old one. I do love the old one a lot. I love the blue and the blue checkering in the logo, but I just like having a black and white kind of look for my car. So the blue is going to go, but if I ever want to take it off, at least it's still there. That's the good thing about these overlays. You can just peel them off if you want to get rid of them, and it doesn't damage your logo. So that's always there if I want to change it, but for now, let's move on to putting the black logo on the back of the car. Bit messier than a spray bottle, you'd think. There we have it, guys. The back one is on. I can say I did a better job on the back one than I did on the front one. I did mess it up a little bit, but it's okay. I've got a second one in case I ever want to do it again. That's the good thing about them. They send you 2. That one is looking good. Now, last but not least, our little baby one for the steering wheel. Okay, let's hop in the car and let's put this little guy on. And we are done. Alright guys, the black and white logo for the steering wheel is complete. Looks a lot better on camera. It looks more like white and glossy. So that's just to match everything else. And then there's the rear end with the new logo. Looks really good. It matches my number plate perfectly, which is amazing. It looks really cool. And here is the front. Matches the number plate as well, and as everything else. Looks really good. Super happy with it, and I think it really suits my car. Alright everyone, that is going to be the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you guys are wanting to buy the overlays, I will link it in the description. And once again, don't forget to go check out 21 Overlays. Really easy to install, didn't take me that long, and it actually is a small little subtle difference, but I think it looks really good. So I recommend any of you guys, if you want to kind of make your car unique and make it look a little different, definitely go check it out and go cop yourself some. That's going to be the end, guys. Hope you all enjoy that little short install. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe down below, and don't forget to turn on post notifications, the little bell next to the subscribe button. Hope you guys have an amazing rest of your night or day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.